Okay, in this segment what we're going to do is we're going to create our gels. And what I've done to shorten the time down a little bit is I've already created for two of the gels our lower stacking part of gel, and it's already set. What I'll do is I'll show you how to do that with some more gels, and we'll go through the whole procedure. And hopefully that'll speed it up a little bit. So this is a little checklist that I created to basically check off everything that you're going to use. What we first have to do is we have to take our plates out, and what we'll do is we will put this short plate on top of the stacking plate like so, and then we'll put it into the casting frame. Try to do with one hand. Then we'll ensure that it's snugly down on the bottom, and then we'll close it up. Oops, wrong way. Close it up like this, clamping it into place. And then what we'll do is we'll ensure that the bottom, we'll run our finger around it and do a visual inspection to make sure that the bottom is flush even, so that when we put it onto the casting stand, which we have this little gray sponge thingy, the bottom will make a nice tight seal there, and then you will clamp it down like this so it pushes down so the bottom is sealed by the sponge material down here, and then the top is open to pour your gel. Okay, so we've already done that with this one. Put that one in. Okay, so now we are ready to go ahead and pour our gels. Okay, so we'll use our pipetteman, and we will start off by taking I dropped my little sheet down here. Start off with water, and we'll take a 50 ml conical tube for our lower resolving portion. Take a 15 ml conical tube for our upper portion, but we've already made that with the exception of the timid. So all you have to do is the upper portion. So we'll start off with our water. Take all of our reagents and put them down here. According to this, we need 8 of water, 6.26. Okay, so we need 8 of water. The wrong thing. Just 8 of water. .6 of acrylamide. Now we need 5 of the lower resolving gel. They're upstairs. will do 200 of SDS. Set it 200. Of our APS. And I can't do it because I'm holding the camera, but normally I would check all of these off as I do them. Have 10 microliters of our, or actually 20 microliters of our timid. Very stinky stuff. And what I'll also do is I will mark at about the wing level here. Make a little mark for where I want to add my buffer to, or my gel to. We'll invert this a few times. And I will fill it. To the appropriate level that I've indicated. Hard to do this left-handed. I'll actually fill it a little bit past that point. With these ones already done, basically I'll just show you that when I add this portion, the upper stacking portion, essentially it'll fill this up. And I'll take the water off first, and then I will put my comb in, and that will eventually end up becoming a gel that looks like I think I took it apart, but essentially it'll end up being a full gel, which you'll see in the next segment, and which is on running gels.